So what is the Ulzzang makeup? So me, after so long researching for Google and these photos for Ulzzang makeup photos. So step by step makeup tutorial. So let's get started this video. And me first apply moisturizer. And this makeup so simple and smooth. And this me apply foundation. Every day different makeup tutorial videos on my YouTube channel, so subscribe. And this apply foundation stick and my under eyes and my nose and my whole face. And this is a setting powder. And we apply white eyeshadow. After applying this other eyeshadow, we become visible clearly. And second, apply golden eyeshadow. And this golden and really golden, but why this is a look like a pink in the camera? And this is a black eyeshadow and me apply for my eye corner. Now let's contour nose. Me apply white highlighter and your nose. And this is a blush which we don't be apply too much. I have taken a brown eyeshadow on the brush which will line in my lips. And this is a red lipstick I am wearing on inside and my lips. And this is a brown shade lipstick. And the last me apply lip gloss. And completed my makeup.
This time I want you like it's magnetic. I want you like it's magnetic.
If you liked my makeup, so like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.